Hello students, it's Teacher Steve again, and it's Lesson 2, Week 4, Maths. Okay, so go to page 60 in your Maths textbook. Okay, this lesson we're going to look at subtraction. Subtraction up to 100,000. Okay, so we'll be dealing with 5-digit numbers. Okay, first one, it says subtract 23,416 from 64,537. Okay, let's do that. See how we are at subtraction. So subtract the smaller number from the larger number. 64,537 minus 23,416. Okay. 5-digit number. Start, it says subtract from right to left, starting from the ones place. So that's what we're going to do. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 2. Sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. Put your comma. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. My answer, 41,121. And it corresponds with the answer in the book. So I must have done it correctly. Okay? Practice this. You can do it in your book. You can do it in this space here or here. There's lots of room. Okay? Right. Next one is a word problem, number 2. Okay, I'll read it. Sudha went shopping with 85,250 baht. She's a rich lady. She spent 34,520 baht. How much did she have left? Key words. Have left. That's telling you it's a subtraction. Minus. Okay, so she started with 85,250 baht. She spent 34,520 baht. Minus. Okay. Start on the one at the right with the ones column. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 5 you can't do, you need to borrow. Make that a 4 and make that 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Okay, yeah, I know some students do it like this. It's okay, they're just a different method. Cross it out and put 12. That's fine. Okay. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer, let's check down here. It's a word problem. My answer, 50,730. Okay. This is the working. Okay. Shows the same as what I did up here. Okay. And it's a word problem, so you would say Suda had 50,730 baht left. If that was in an assessment or an exam, you would write the sentence. Okay? Remember, when you have word problems, you have a sentence in your answer. Okay. Now we're going to look at bigger numbers. Page 61. Subtraction more than 100,000. So we're looking at 6-digit numbers. Okay, we can practice. The more practice you get, the more proficient you will be with these addition and subtraction. It says subtract 431,527 from 794,668. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Subtract the smaller number from the larger number. 794,668 minus 431,527. Okay, start at the right with the ones column. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 5 is 1, comma. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. There's my answer, 363,141. Well, that's the same as in the book. And it says, we read 363,141 in numerals. There it is written in words. Okay? Okay, good. Next example. Remember, these are 6-digit numbers. Numbers over 100,000. Subtract 271,472 from 558,984. Larger number first. 558,984. Sorry about my writing, it's not really good. Okay. 271,472. Okay, here's another method of doing it using number discs. Okay, I'll do it this way. See if we get the same answer. Start with the ones column. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5, comma. 8 minus 1, 7. 5 minus 7 you can't do. You need to borrow. Make that 4. Borrow from this column. Make that 15. Okay. 15 minus 7 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. My answer, 287,512. Let's see. See if I've done it correctly. 287,512. Okay, looks like we did it correctly. There's the answer. It's 287,512. Okay. Now we're using 7 digits. These are numbers up to 10 million. Okay. Same method. Just because it's bigger numbers doesn't make it any more difficult. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this 7-digit number. Okay, it says, where are we? Subtract 2,657,835 from 4,168,739. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 4,168,739. Okay. No, it's a bit. Let's write that again. It's 4,168,739. Get my numbers a bit closer together. Subtract 2,657,835. Okay. Don't worry about that one now. Forget about it. Okay, let's do this. 9, start with the ones column. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 8, you can't do. You need to borrow from this column. Make that a 7. Make that 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Comma. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 6 you can't do. Make that a 3. Borrow from there. Cross that out. Make it 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, there's my answer. 1,510,904. 1,510,904. Okay. Here it is down here. 1,510,904. So, must have done it correctly. Check your answer. And it says, we read 1,510,904 in numerals as 1,000,000, 510,000, 904 in words. Okay, good. So make sure that the thing you really have to make sure is your working is nice and clear and you're subtracting in the right columns, okay? So always make sure your numbers are nicely written and in the right column. If you move them and you start subtracting from the wrong columns, you'll get the wrong answer, okay? So take your time. These are big numbers. You need to write them very carefully. Okay, let's move on to page 63. We're going to do one more example, and then you can have a go at some of these activities to practice. Okay, we're on page, let's have a look. Page 63. Okay, here's another example. 7 digits, so we're talking millions here. Subtract number 4. 2,473,680 from 9,564,623. Subtract. Okay, 9,564,000, comma, 623 minus 2,473,680. Okay. There's a bit more work in here to do, and there's borrowing and regrouping. That's the word. That's the word they use, regrouping. Okay, let's see what we can do. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 8, you cannot do. You need to borrow. That becomes 5. That becomes 12. Okay. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay. 5 minus 6, you cannot do. You need to borrow. Make that 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 3, you can do that one, 0. 6 minus 7, you cannot do. Borrow again, it becomes 4. This becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, my answer, 7,090,943. Okay, you can see there's a lot more regrouping, more working, which makes it more complicated. You need to follow each step carefully and put your numbers in the right place and have them written clearly. Okay, so I must have done it correctly, as we have the same answer. 7,090,943. Okay, right, now students, you're going to do these examples. You can do them on a piece of paper, or you can do them here in the textbook. If you've got enough room, you can do them here. Okay, so do and learn. Subtract. Do 1A, B, and C. And do number 2, A and B. You'll need a bit more room to do these. Okay, use a piece of paper to do your work in. Okay, these are 6-digit numbers. This is a 7. This one here, 6 digits. That's a 7-digit minus a 6-digit. 7-digit numbers. 2A and 2B. 7-digit numbers. Okay, so work these out, and then you can check your answers with the book. Okay, we're going to go to page 64 and 65. We've got a lot of examples to do. Okay. Subtract. Number 1, A. B. C. And D. Okay, and then more. Look at all these numbers. They're all very neat, and in the columns are all, the numbers in the columns are in the right places, one above each other. Okay? So, do number 2, A, B, C, and D. Check your answers with the answers in the book. Okay, and number 3. So, yeah, number 3, you have 6. 6 more subtraction calculations to do. Okay, so it's quite a lot of work. And they're 7-digit numbers dealing with millions. Okay, 6 more. And when you've completed that, you need to draw a line from the greatest number to the smallest number. And you'll get a picture. Which is the greatest number? Where should we start? Okay, greatest number is this one. You'll start there. Then you'll go up here, here, and down to here, and up to there. Then to there, that's the smallest number. And then back to the largest number. And it says, the picture I got is a fish. Okay, students, well, work through those. Take your time and check your answers with the ones in the book. Make sure you understand it. And these are big numbers. If you can do this well, you've done a great job. Okay, students, I'll see you next time. Well done.